Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust AlienFX lighting on the Dell Alienware monitor. To do this, first you'll need to press on the button in the middle bottom side of the screen, navigate up to the settings, scroll down to AlienFX lighting, enter it, then you can adjust the color for all of the zones or zones specifically like zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. You can also enable or disable the custom options, spectrum, let's enable that, and this actually doesn't apply any colors, it will basically enter the spectrum mode or rainbow, however you call it. And in this case, let's just turn it off and switch the colors for the power button that you can see right here. Hopefully, I'm not sure if the camera actually captures that. Let's turn it on and then set our color to the red. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.